Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Much more depends on nutrition. Named foods that reduce the risk of premature aging. Women dream of slowing down aging with expensive means. But they do not always help to make the hair strong and the skin flawless. The most effective way is to change your diet. Shahnaz Hussain, beauty and health skills development expert, named products that help fight premature aging. They are rich in natural vitamins and minerals. Walnuts are packed with essential trace minerals and fatty acids like omega-3 to help your skin look younger. Eating beauty products helps to retain moisture and nutrients. Walnut oil prevents dry skin, and regular use will help wrinkles fade over time. Sweet potatoes are a source of a combination of vitamins A, E and C, which are not only beneficial for the immune system, but can also slow down the aging process. Chia seeds prevent hair loss, reduce the traces of acne. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote strong bones. Pineapple contains 120% of the daily value of vitamin C, which helps in the prevention of many diseases, including acne. Pineapple juice contains vitamins A and B, eliminates the problem of brittle and dry nails, as well as cracked legs. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.